Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. This one I'm going to explain what we do when the source data that we use for loading into a table changes so much that we have to change the structure of the the destination table. So we will only ever add new columns, expand the data type of a column, for example from a narrow varchar to a bigger varchar, or from varchar to n varchar, or from integer to decimal, or from a decimal to a bigger decimal, or integer to big int, that sort of thing, or from not allowing nulls to allowing nulls. We would never drop a column or change the name of a column or change the name of the table. When we make a change, though, for it to get reflected in the external table in your Azure DB, and by the way, in Snowflake, this is not an issue because you get direct access to the tables through the share. But anyway, for those Azure users, as you know from the external tables lesson 9 video, the external tables, they have the whole definition stored in information schema separately. So we've got this view, we've got these views here. This view here describes all of the definitions of the external tables in your database, and this one describes all of the tables in the source databases. And this procedure here will compare the two, and any that are different, it will recreate them. So that's that. Now, if the source database changes so drastically that it makes no sense to put the data into the existing destination table, we will then discontinue that source table, and we will create a new table. And you can see if a table is discontinued by querying the all table. I'll just show you this table here. So you can see over here, we've got that column there, discontinued. That flags when a table's no longer getting any more data. And where that happens, we would create a new table with the same name, but V2 on the end, or a very similar name sometimes. As I record this video, we don't yet have a release details table listing tables that have been discontinued and what table they've been replaced with, but we will do. So yeah, I mean that's everything really. If you have any queries, of course, you go on the forum as well. Thanks.